Lenny's right. Kiki's still locked, Marcus.
Doesn't matter. Game time is done. We go to their digs and get the decryption key.
Back-channel info says P8 has a bunker.
A bunker? But there's no location.
Lenny has a RFID implant. Can we find the bunker with that?
Yeah, it's possible.
Sweet. Time to go see Lenny. No more fucking around. Wrench, you're my backup.
Yes, I am.
I can't believe it!
That's right.
You sure you want to keep going with this?
I hate you fucks. And you know why? The propaganda vids, the graffiti, the anti-whatever do-gooder bullshit. You assholes take yourselves so fucking seriously.
Oh, you coming at us, but you need to understand. We are all in this together. We can all...
Hey! What kind of fucking noob do you think I am? And what kind of shit stain are you for getting caught?
I just thought it was worth a
Hey!
shot. Okay. Fuck.
Ooh, fuck. Ooh. See how far you get with dead servers, loser.
We got a ping on the Prime 8 bunker.
And Lenny is clueless about it.
Maybe.
Come on. You guys give her too much credit.
Wrench, important question time. Aliens versus Predator.
The question doesn't make any sense. I mean, aliens basically use predators as an external womb to perpetuate their species. And the predators, well, they come from a world where you hunt or you die. They need xenomorphs to hone them into elite warriors. It's a fucked up ecosystem that doesn't really have a winner.
Okay, ignoring the science behind it, purely hypothetical. One-on-one, who wins?
Are we talking Ridley Scott or Cameron?
I like the sequel better. Let's go with them.
Marcus, that's a bold statement. We need to have that conversation later. But versus a Cameron alien? They're more aggressive, so the Predator wins, easily. He's way ahead on a technological level, so he's going to stand his ground when the Xeno rushes him. But that's like asking who wins between one man and one zombie. The aliens hunt in packs.
Okay. How many aliens would make it a fair fight with one Predator?
3. I could see a Predator Spearmaster keeping 2 away with a Yautja combo stick, but a third Xeno is going to be able to get close. Even if he kills it, that blood splash is going to melt right through him. It's a hard call. You'd have to plug their stats into a probability algorithm.
Yeah, they both fought Judge Dredd, which is pretty badass. Aliens fought Batman.
So did Predator. Let's not forget Superman and Batman versus aliens and Predator.
Who won?
Can't remember? Doesn't matter. You know what? I give the overall win to Predator.
Yeah? Enlighten me.
Predator has taken on Archie.
Shit, you're right. Archie's basically the top of the food chain. You think Predator's more of a Betty or a Veronica type of guy?
Neither. Gotta go with Sabrina.
You make a good argument. I'll buy it. Predator comes out on top.
What's the plan?
Get in, get the key, free Kiki.
Can we have the bunker? Can we? Can we?
You have to help clean it this time.
She always makes me clean.
Let's start with getting in first. Okay, guys, what's the plan?
Well, Lenny's got that door seriously locked down. So plan B?
I got something. There's an old exhaust duct. Probably overgrown, so...
I'll find it.
All units, 1029. We have information on a known criminal. Relaying the CTOS coordinates now.
to yourself.
I'm inside. Ooh, stinks of beer and cheesy feet.
Just get that decrypt key. Fast.
Get your hands off my shit.
Oh, hey, Lenny. I'm in your house, fucking up your shit.
Think you're fucking smart? Bunker Boom 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 was my failsafe for Sons of Ragnarok, but yeah, this'll work too. Can't have my hard drive seized by undesirables.
Is that Lenny?
She's rigged the place to blow.
What?
What are we looking at?
2, no, 3. It looks like shit. Maybe 4. They don't seem connected, so I don't think the order matters.
How many nodes?
Just find another way out.
Guys, I need to concentrate.
T-minus 2 minutes, scrub!
Jesus, you fucking sloot-filled donut hole!
Look at that. Seems like I handled the booms.
This is not fucking over!
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Marcus. Home sweet hackerspace. It's finally rid of that Prime 8 smell.
Is it ready?
Yep. Wrench had to spray a bit of bombs be gone, and then whoosh. Go check it out.